Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on the Motorola Edge 60. Alright, so the process is really easy. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So we need to open up our settings in here. We need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the backup or copy data. We're gonna use the first possible method and option, because the second method doesn't work. We only can bring data using that method from the Android switch, but we can't copy from this device to another, so we don't gonna use it. We want to click on backup data. Now under the account storage, as you can see, we have our Google account that we are currently logged in, and it is crucial that if you want to restore your backup in the future, you will need to be logged in into the same Google account that you can see right in here. So don't forget password to it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your backup. Also make sure that backup by Google one is enabled right in here, and now click on backup now. Now you can see on the bottom of the screen that backupping process has started. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, and now under the backup you can see this thin little bar, and it's starting to fulfill. When it comes to the opposite edge, it will mean that the backup is successfully made. So now let's simply wait until it gets to the opposite edge of the screen. Okay, now we can see on the bottom of the screen that your data has been backupped, and basically that's all. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.